Hey, good morning. We're digging potatoes today. We plant these potatoes February 1st. It's May 14th. Oh boy, you got a good one here. Lydia's out here digging up the hay. And so they've been in the ground 3.5 months. And we're getting some really nice ones. So we got red potatoes. Red potatoes aren't as big as the other ones. Oh, you got a lot of them there, Lydia. So we're trying to leave some of the plants, but
no, we're not.
No, you're not. She's taking them all up. Okay.
They're ready.
They're ready to go, huh? Beautiful morning out here. Okay, show me dig. Okay, dig that one up. There's a big spray there.
Let's find the base.
Okay.
Oh. Look at, oh my goodness.
Oh, that's a beautiful. That looks like almost like a baking potato.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah. Wow.
Another one.
Jeez. Look at those potatoes.
From one potato.
Yes. And a lot of these potatoes we cut in half.
We did.
Yeah, we cut most of these in half because we didn't have that many.
Oh, there's one there.
Yeah. I think this is the most fun we've ever had in gardening, digging up potatoes. Look at those baking potatoes. Who would believe that you'd get baking potatoes?
Look at that.
That's the biggest one I've ever seen. So the Ruth Stout method.
Oh, there's the seed.
Yeah, there's the seed right there from the potato. As you can see, we cut it in half. Yep, beautiful. After we get done here, we're going to put in sweet potatoes because they take a lot longer to grow. And we've got a few sweet potatoes over here started already where we took the potatoes out. There's a sweet potato right there. And there's a couple more over here.
This is so much fun.
Yeah, it looks like fun.
Oh, ho, ho. Wait do you see this one?
Hmm? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Holy cow.
These are just ones you see on the surface.
Yeah. Also, this is very good exercise for your legs.
Oh my gosh. Tell me about it.
Look at all those potatoes. Jeez.
These are like fingers. Oh my gosh.
Yes. So mainly what we did, we dug a little hole about 6 inches. We actually used the drill bit to dig the hole, and we dropped the potato in the ground. So the only thing the hay is good for is
Gives it
protecting them from turning
and
green.
nutrients. It over time.
Is this one dead yet? No. You haven't got to that one yet.
Nope.
Okay, one more. There the potatoes are right there. There you go, right? You don't have to dig. You really don't have to dig with a fork. When you plant them in the ground too deep, then you gotta dig them up with the...
This Ruth Stout method is really good.
Yes.
I will do this again.
Because you can do them with your hands instead of a fork. Because a lot of times you dig it with a fork, it
Yeah.
breaks the potato.
Oh my goodness.
You tired yet?
Uh-huh. So I'm just gonna do these little ones I'm
Yeah.
gonna leave.
Yeah.
But this one I'm gonna get.
Okay. These are all white potatoes here. I think the last row is reds. Ooh, look at that one there. Holy moly. That's a big potato.
It is.
I think we're going to have baked potato for dinner tonight.
I think so.
Yeah, baked potato, sour cream, butter.
Oh, found another one there
Yeah.
that the dogs take off.
Oh,
with.
look at that one
look.
there. Oh my
Might
goodness.
as well just keep going.
Yeah, you might as well finish the row up. She's been wanting to do this. It's hard to keep her out of these potatoes because she has so much fun digging them.
It's like an Easter egg hunt.
Yeah. Uh-oh, there's another one. Yeah. Seems like the bigger the plant, the more potatoes.
Yeah.
Now I gotta hurry up and get some sweet potatoes in here. So that's
You
it?
might want, yeah, you might want to run a
Yeah.
pitchfork in here.
Yeah, I might have to fork these up a little bit.
Oh. It's hard to bend over. This one's just sitting here willy-nilly.
What the heck?
What the heck was that about?
I don't know. Where's the potatoes?
I don't know. I gotta look.
No potatoes into that one.
That
cra-
was just sitting there.
That's
It
weird.
wasn't even in the ground.
Wow.
Like somebody had pulled it out.
Yeah, tuck it back in there. Huh? No potatoes on that one. Try this one here. There, here we go. These two did not do very good. Look at that little potato there. This. Nothing.
Oh, look at this.
Oh yeah.
Got bugs for the
Oh, bugs for the chickens? What do you got
Yeah.
there? What kind of bugs?
those worms.
Oh yeah.
There's your
Oh,
potato.
There's your potato. Yeah.
There's probably more in there. They're probably down.
Our stray dog that won't come to you. He likes to eat, but he don't come to you. His name is Baron.